Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet and Crafts. My name is Sonali. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this doll hair. This is a small witch girl and the making of this doll is still in progress. So I'm going to upload a separate video on step-by-step process of making this doll once I'm done. So the height of this doll is around 6 inches. So you can make this hair for any other amigurumi dolls as well. For that we need a doll head. The maximum stitch count for this doll head is 36. Then we need a yarn. So I'm using a 4-ply yarn here. You can use any yarn that is suitable for your project. Then we need a crochet hook. I'm using a 2.5 mm crochet hook. You can use any crochet hook that is suitable for your yarn. Then we need a tapestry needle or a yarn needle. Then a stitch marker, a pair of scissors and few pins. So that's all we need to make this doll hair. So let's start. First I will make a magic ring and then 8 single crochet around this magic ring. So I'll make 8 single crochet. I'm using yarn under technique here. You can use yarn over technique if you like. So I have completed making 8 single crochet. Now I will move on to row number 2. In row 2 I will make 2 single crochet in each of these 8 stitches. So at the end of row 2 we should have 16 stitches. So I've completed making row 2. Now I will move on to row number 3. So in row 3 I'll be making 1 single crochet into the first stitch and then 2 single crochet into the second stitch. So in the next stitch I will making an increase. So this way I will repeat the pattern total 8 times and at the end of row 3 I should have 24 stitches. So here I will make an increase. So this way I will repeat the pattern total 8 times. So I've completed row number 3. Now I will move on to row number 4. In row 4 I will make 1 single crochet into the first 2 stitches and then an increase into the third stitch. So this way I will repeat the pattern total 8 times and at the end of row 4 I should have 32 stitches. Now in the third stitch I will make increase. So this way I will repeat the pattern total 8 times. Now I will move on to row number 5. So in row 5 I will make 25 chains. Now skip the first stitch from the first chain from the hook. So I will start working from the second chain. Okay, so here I will make 1 single crochet and then in the next chain I will make 2 single crochet. So in the next chain I will make an increase So I'll repeat this pattern total 6 times. Okay, so I will make this 5 more times, like 1 single crochet and then an increase, 1 single crochet then an increase. So this way I will repeat it total 6 times. So 2 times, I will repeat it 4 more times. Now for the next 12 chains, I will make 1 single crochet in each of these 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way I will complete till the end. So I started from here, this one. I'll skip this next stitch and then in the next stitch I will make 1 slip stitch. Okay, so skip 1 stitch and then in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now again from here I will make 25 chains. Now I will skip the first chain from the hook and I will work on from the second chain from the hook. So here I will make 1 single crochet and then in the next chain I will make 2 single crochet. So I'll repeat this total 6 times. Okay, so after completing this 6 times we should have 12 stitches remaining, or the 12 chains remaining. So in these 12 chains I will make 1 single crochet in each of these chains. Now again I will skip the next stitch and here into the next stitch I will make a slip stitch. Right, so this way I will repeat this total 13 times. So from here again I will make 25 chains. Okay, I have completed total 13 strips. Now I will be making the front part of this hair. Okay, so these small ones. So for that, where I have ended the last strip, okay, so from here I will make 4 chains. Then starting from the second chain from the hook, I will make slip stitches in each of these stitches. So I will make total 3 slip stitch. Now I'll make a slip stitch into the next stitch. And from here again I will make 4 chains. Then starting from the second chain from the hook, I will make slip stitch into these 3 stitches or 3 chains. Now again slip stitch into the next stitch. So this way I will repeat total 3 times. So I have already done 2 strips. Now I will make 4 more. Alright, so I have completed making 6 strips at the front and now I'm remaining with the last slip stitch. So make a slip stitch at the last. Alright, now leave a long tail because we have to sew use this tail for sewing the hair. Fasten it off. Our next step is to sew this hair with this head. So if you see, I have already placed few pins to secure the position of the hair. Now let me show you how I have determined the position. For this doll, if you see, there is a gap of 2 rows in between the eyes and the fringes. I mean the edges of the fringes. So there is a gap of 2 rows. Here also I have kept a gap of 2 rows in between the edges of the fringes and the eyes 1 and 2. Now For the side part, here if you see, there is a gap of 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 stitches in between the eye and this first hair. This side also I have kept a gap of 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then I have placed this hair. So here also I have done the same thing, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So gap of 4 stitches in between the eye and the hair, and this side also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, now I will start sewing one by one. So first I will insert the needle from here with the skin and pull it out from here. Now again insert the needle here including the skin and pull it out from here. Now sew these edges of these two hair. So while sewing the edges of these hairs, I will not include the skin, just sew these edges. Okay, so only sew these edges. When I will move on to these pins, when I will reach this position where the pins have been kept, I will sew along with the skins. Don't need to stitch in all these stitches. Just do a random stitching over here. Now I will move on to this pin. So remove this pin and insert the needle from here. And then pull the needle out from the next hair where we have kept the pin. So this time we will sew along with the skin. Again I will move on to the edges and I will do some random sewing on the edges. Now we have reached out in the top. So here I will sew along with the skin and then pull it out from the next edge. And here also we will do some random sewing of the edges. And I will not include the skins here. Now again I have reached out to the position where I have kept the pin. So insert the needle from here and pull it out through the next pin along with the skin. So this way I will complete sewing till this hair and I will come back. Now I have reached at the top. Here I will sew along with the skin. And then I will just randomly do some sewing at the front. and then pull the needle out of this middle. Our next step is to hide this yarn tail. I hope this video is useful. If you like the video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.